Advantages of web-based GIS. Web-based GIS deliver latest and up-to-date information. For example, a map displaying election results as soon as the election results become available, and a map displaying the real-time traffic situation using traffic data collected by sensor networks. Software and hardware infrastructure for web-based and GIS is cheap. Data and product updates are easier, cheaper, and faster. It allows for personalization by using user profiles, personal filters, and personal styling and symbolization. Users can configure and design their own maps. It supports hyperlinking to other information on the web. It acts like an index to other information on the web. Any sensitive area in a map, a label, text, etc., can provide hyperlinks to additional information. For example, map showing public transport options can directly link to the corresponding section in the online train timetable. It is easy to integrate multimedia in and with web maps. Today's web browsers also support the playback of video, audio, and animation. Disadvantages of web maps. Reliability issues. The reliability of the internet and web server infrastructure is not yet good enough. Especially if a web map relies on external distributed data sources, the original author often cannot guarantee the availability of the information. Bandwidth issues. Web maps usually need a relatively high bandwidth. Limited screen space. Web-based GIS maps have the problem of limited screen space. This is in particular a problem for mobile web maps and location-based services where maps have to be displayed in very small screens with resolutions as low as 100 into 100 pixels. Quality and accuracy issues. Many web maps are of poor quality both in symbolization, content, and data accuracy. Privacy issues. With detailed information available and the combination of distributed data sources, it is possible to find out and combine a lot of private and personal information of individual persons. Properties and estates of individuals are now accessible through high resolution aerial and satellite images throughout the world to anyone. Enterprise GIS. An enterprise GIS is a system that integrated through an entire organization so that a large number of users can manage, share, and use spatial data and related information to address a variety of problems such as data creation, modification, visualization, analysis, and distribution. In recent years, more and more organizations have started adopting GIS to manage spatial information in support of spatial decision making, which can improve the working efficiency and also reduces the enterprise operating costs. With GIS software capability, users are allowed for the integration of enterprises into other enterprises through a type of internet services. Enterprise can integrate the applications to the utmost flexibility with reusable cost in both internal and external aspects. An enterprise GIS should be capable of. It supports large number of simultaneous transactions. Many people can access information at the same time. It integrates with other enterprise systems such as ERP, billing system, etc. It enables easier integration with other systems, software formats, maintains the uniform display pattern of the data like style, symbol, color, etc. for desktop, web, and mobile users. It offers reusable functionality across desktop, web, and mobile platforms. Above figure 113.7 shows enterprise GIS system where geospatial data is shared by various departments such as town planning, environmental, human resources, finance, transportation, etc. Mobile GIS. Mobile GIS is the expansion of GIS technology from the office into the field. A mobile GIS enables field-based officer to capture, store and update, manipulate, analyze and display geographic information. Mobile GIS integrates one or more of the following technologies: mobile devices, global positioning system, wireless communications for internet GIS access. In past, the process of field data collection and editing were time consuming and tends to have more errors. The paper maps were used in field work to mark the locations of ground. The sketches and the notes are drawn on paper to edit the field data. Once back in the office, these updates made in the field were checked and manually entered into the GIS database. Mobile GIS enables organizations to add real-time information to database and applications to create more accurate data and analyze spatial data. Advantages of mobile GIS: creates, edit, and uses GIS maps in the field, creates and maintains an inventory of asset locations and attribute information, updates asset location and condition and is used for schedule maintenance. It maintains digital records and locations of field assets and legal code compliance and ticketing, documents the location and circumstances of incidents and events for further action or reporting. Performs measuring, buffering, geoprocessing and other GIS analysis during field survey. 3D visualization. A large number of human activities utilize 2D geodata using paper or digital maps to complete various kinds of activities like creating mapping and analysis. In many cases, the two-dimension maps are not sufficient because 2D maps may lose some of their properties and relations to other objects. 2D maps create difficulties to understand, analyze, and evaluate the surrounding world. For example, urban city planning, landscape planning, road, railway, building construction, utility management. For such type of activities, it requires three-dimensional and the 3D objects presentation. 2D objects only have length and width, but 3D objects have an extra dimension called depth. In a 2D GIS, a feature is represented as an area of grid cells, but in case of 3D GIS, it deals with volumes and information about what includes inside the cube. 3D GIS and fly-through applications need more advanced tools for representing and analyzing the 3D world. 3D GIS application is a tool to model, store, analyze and visualize 3D data in an efficient and effective way in different areas. 3D GIS Viewer allows users to experience the power and flexibility of desktop 3D GIS. There are already very few systems available in the market that can be categorized as systems providing 3D solutions. Rolta, Geomatica, ArcView 3D Analyst, ISRI, Imagine Virtual GIS, ERDAS and GeoMedia Terrain, Intergraph, etc. All the systems provide excellent tools for 3D visualization, animation and navigation through 3D textured models. Below figure shows the representation of spatial feature in 3D GIS in city town planning of Chandni Chowk area, Delhi.